Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here. And today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily build your business by posting on social media. So we're going to go to this post on social media, and we're actually going to choose Selfie AI. You can choose any way to post here, but just for this demo, I'm going to choose Selfie AI. And you're going to drop down the business or product profile that you want to post about. So I'm going to choose your favorite nutrition club. And then here, you just upload an image that you want to share. You can kind of drag and drop an image that you want to share. This is a selfie of me, and then all you have to do is click on generate. Now, this will kind of go right into, I have no idea how this has anything to do with your nutrition club. And so we get this great post. It says, ready to elevate your wellness journey? At your favorite nutrition club, we make feeling good a lifestyle. Dive into the world of delicious, healthy shakes and let our friendly team support you every step of the way. Start your journey to vitality today. So this was just created by dropping down that business or product profile, and I uploaded a selfie. You can pull in your business or product profile to any one of the ways that you post to make it easy to post about your business and build your business on social media. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.